In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change Blacktop court in NBA 2K24. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are playing 2K24, you can change the court for Blacktop. However, you will only be able to do this by using mods. So according to all the research that I've done, you will need to use a specific set of tools that is only available for PC. So for consoles, I don't believe that it is possible to change the court. If you know of a method, please let us know in the comment section below. But for NBA 2K24, you can download NBA 2K24 tools made by Louis. So it is available on the NLSC forum. As you can see here, this tool gives you control over plenty of things, including teams, which allows you to select the specific team that you play on Blacktop and then change the court that they will be playing in. I'm going to showcase this process with screenshots of NBA 2K23 tools, but it is essentially the same thing. So you open the tools. Like I said, you download the executable from the official forum. So you go here, you click on the download link, and then once you run this executable, open the game, go over to the Blacktop menu, and then on the teams category, look for the ringers. Once you select them, choose the option to edit the team, and now you will find Stadium on one of these options. You can try to choose any of the other stadiums from the drop-down menu, but if this doesn't work, then what you do is you click on Edit. So for example, NY Streetball has the arena file ID of S618. So what you can do now is go back to the default one, which is Kingdom, click on the option to edit Kingdom, and then you change the arena file for Kingdom, which by default is 616, to S618, which is the NY stadium or arena. And by doing this, you will use the new selected arena. So all that you have to do is change the ID under arena file. Sometimes you might also have to include a floor tile. This is going to be true for official courts like these ones, where the floor is not going to load in. So for example, if you use S002, which is an official court like this one on the arena file, you also need to input it into the floor file for it to work. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.